Is an automatic motorbike was easy to operate? Surely, when hearing about an automatic motorbike was, many of you will immediately think, hey, is this machine complicated? Is it difficult to use? Do I have to be technically proficient to operate it? This is a very common mentality, especially for those who are used to the traditional way of washing motorbike by hand. In fact, the answer surprised many people. Operating an automatic motorbike was much simpler than you imagine. First, let's take a look back. In traditional motorbike wash shop, to wash quickly and serve customer in time, at least 2 to 3 workers are needed. Each person has a job, one spray, one scrub, one wipe, and then there is the need to control the quality. And if there is just the lack of workers, the shop is almost paralyzed. This is the biggest worry that makes many shop owners afraid to expand or difficult to manage. But with an automatic motorbike wash, it is completely different. Just one operator can serve dozens, even hundreds of customers every day, while still ensuring the motorbike wash process is standard, clean and fast. So specifically, it is difficult to operate. The answer is extremely simple. The Go&Go automatic motorbike wash machine is designed specifically for the Southeast Asia market. That means our operations are streamlined, clearly displayed, and have instruction in Vietnamese. No need for an engineering degree, nor long training, just 1 to 2 sessions of familiarization. Anyone can operate it. The basic process consists of 4 steps. Step 1. Start the machine. Check the water, electricity, and chemical system. All are displayed on the smart control panel. Step 2. Customer bring the motorbike in. Choose the appropriate washing mode. It only takes about 2 minutes for city bike and 4 minutes for mud bike. Step 3. The machine automatically performs all the steps from hand spray to water spraying, chemical spraying, scrubbing the motorbike body, washing the chassis, to rinsing and drying. Step 4. Customer receive their motorbike back, clean and shiny, in just a few minutes of waiting. The important difference is the operator does not have to do heavy work, does not have to blend down to scrubbing or worry about drying every detail. Instead, the job is only to monitor, support customer, and ensure a smooth process. This change makes the automatic motorbike wash model much easier to operate and more sustainable. Let's compare a little bit to help you visualize. With hand washing, a bike usually takes 15 to 20 minutes, is labor intensive, and make customer wait a long time. With an automatic motorbike wash, it only takes 2 to 4 minutes. Thus, dozens of motorbikes can be washed in an hour without needing to increase the number of workers. This advantage not only helps to serve customers faster, but also create productivity many times over, and revenue also increase significantly. In fact, when customers see the machine operating with their own eyes, they often feel both curious and excited. Many people even take out their phone to record because they are unfamiliar. But what keeps them here is not just curiosity, but the experience. The bike is cleaning quickly, don't have to wait long, and feel more professional than traditional hand washing. Especially for customers with high-end scooter, they are most secure because they are not afraid of scratch when the stuff scrubs with the towel. As for the shop owner, the benefits is not only reducing labor. The Go&Go automatic motorbike washing machine is also integrated with a smart motorbike counter. This helps you easily manage daily revenue. Know how many bikes have been washed today, how much revenue, without having to be present in the person at the shop. This is the big plus, because in reality, many shop owners complain that in the traditional model, revenue loss is inevitable. Another factor that few people pay attention to is the psychology of the staff. When working at a manual motorbike wash, workers often have to do heavy work, easily get tired, leading to a poor service attitude over time. When working with an automatic machine, the staff only does less work, guiding customers, choose the washing mode, taking the bike, clean to dust. The working spirit is more comfortable. It is easier to retain people, and the customer experience is also better. You see, from the perspective of operation to management, the automatic motorbike wash machine also solves all the worry inherent in traditional motorbike washes. Many solve only today after converting share. Before, I was worried about whether I could do it or not, but when I actually started, I found it simpler than I thought. Easy, professional, and customers really like it. So to answer the original question, is it difficult to operate an automatic motorbike wash? The answer is not difficult at all. In fact, it's much simpler and more convenient than the manual motorbike wash model, which has a few basic operations. One person is enough to operate the whole shop, saving labor and increasingly productivity. If you are still hesitant, and the best way is to go directly to the Go&Go factory to experience the demo, seeing the machine in operation with your own eye, studying with yourself. You will understand why more and more people choosing automatic motorbike wash to invest. This is not only a business model, but also a new trend in the motorbike wash industry in the future, where convenience, speed, and professionalism will gradually replace the traditional methods.